Okay, now we'll see how to use optimal page replacement algorithm or a policy. Here in this case, pages are replaced which would not be used for the longest duration of time in the future. So again, here the reference string is given, and there are 3 frames in main memory. So initially the demand is of page 2. So this is a page fault. So you can write this as 2 cross cross. The next page is 3. So write 2 3 cross. It's a page fault. Next is 2. It's a hit. So you write 2 and 3 hit. Up next page is 1. So write 2 3 1. It's a page fault. Next is 5. Now your RAM is full. So we have to replace one of the frame to accommodate page number 5. Okay. So whether you are going to replace F1, F2, F3, how to decide that? You are going to look forward in the future, and which is not used in the future, that particular frame we are going to replace. So 2 is used here, then 3 is used here, and 1 is used long back. So you can not long back, in the future it is not used, only 1. Okay, so you can replace that 1 by 5. So you write here 2 3 and 5. Okay, so again it's a fault. Now this is 2 and this is 2 already there, so it's a hit. So you can write 2 3 and 5. Okay, now next is 4. Okay, so which to replace here, right? Whether you replace 2 3 or 5. So where is 2? 2 is here, then 3 is here, and 5 is here. So you can replace this 2. Okay, so we'll replace 2 by 4 right here. So it's a fault. Then next is 5. 5 is already there, so it's a hit. So we can write 4 3 5. Then again 3 3 is already there, so it's a 4 3 5. It's a hit. Okay, now 2. Now wish to replace 4 3 5. You see here 5 is used, 3 is used, 4 is not used, so you can replace 4 by 2. Write 3 5. It's a fault. Now it's a 5. 5 is already there, so it's a hit. So we get 2. We get 2 3 and 5. It's a hit. Okay, 3 3 is there, so it's a hit. 2 3 and 5. So how many total hits? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total hits as equal to 6. And how many faults? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total miss or faults 6. So hit ratio will be equal to 6 upon 12 into 100, so that is 50%. And miss ratio is also, or fault ratio is 6 upon 12 into 100, that is equal to 50%. So this is how we can solve optimal page replacement algorithm.